Hi everyone! Today we are going to be making these two cards here. I've been super into vellum and what to do with it, and I've been really enjoying making these vellum envelopes and then these sort of one card pieces. It's like a different way to make a card, and I just thought it was really cute. So this one here is a blue vellum envelope with a little card here, and then when I open this up, it says have a bright and merry Christmas. And then what's nice is you can write a little message here on the bottom. So I thought that was kind of cute and fun. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you the major steps, not every step, but the most important ones to kind of get you through making this card. And we're going to start with the vellum here. I took a 8.5 by 11 piece of blue vellum and I cut it in half. Well, first I folded it and then I cut it straight down the middle. And then I went ahead and cut the top part about 1/4 inch. So it's going to measure 5¼ inch by 4 inches with a semicircle cut at the top. I did freestyle that. Here I went ahead and stuck some foam stickers I got from Michael's of Snowflakes, and then I went ahead and measured the dimensions for my card. Here again, it's about 5¼ inch. The height hasn't changed, but one thing you do want to pay attention to is the width, which is going to be a lot smaller. So in this case, a little bit less than 4 inches. You just want to make sure it fits in there snugly, but you can pull it in and out. If you saw from my last video, I made the envelope too small and my card didn't fit, so I had to readjust my card. So now I'm going to grab my stamp set here, which is the Lawn Fawn Cozy Christmas, and I'll just walk you through the steps. I first had the fireplace. I took part of it, stamped the side there, and colored it with black ink. And then I used my Copic markers to make the red with a little bit of brown shadowing. Then I used the stocking. I used pattern paper. I stamped onto that and then cut it out. I stuck on the cookies, and I also used the string lights. I was able to bend it a little bit and kind of make this shape. And then I used have a bright, cozy, merry Christmas. And you can piece it however you want using the other sentiments. The nice thing with this is there's a lot of options. Then I went ahead and punched a hole at the top. Well, first I used a corner punch for the edges for a little bit of detail, and then I punched the center and stuck some ribbon on there, but I also glued the ribbon to keep it in place. Then I went ahead and stamped the back with my signature stamp, and that's pretty much how I put the card together. So I didn't walk you through all the steps of the coloring, but I hope you have an idea. On my other video, I do show you the steps to make the envelope and color. So there you have it. This is the card, the final product. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.